Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa buhay? Well, kung gusto mo yon, pangarapin mo na ng pangarapin. Go for it, do it. Huwag ka matakot. Reach your dreams. Do the steps towards your goals. In life, yes. Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa buhay? Minsan mapaglaro ang tadhana. Pero huwag ka patatalo. Continue life. Lakbayin mo ang journey mo. Minsan up, minsan down. Para din sa sarili mo yan. Okay, yes, opo. Totoo, true, okay. Gusto mo ba i-reach ang dreams mo in life? Okay, life is good. Train yourself to be a better person. No one knows your pain, but fight the battle. Only you could do it. Yes, okay, opo. Speak up for yourself. Wait for the right time. God has good plans for you, yes. Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa buhay? I-claim mo na it will be yours. Use the law of attraction. Visualization techniques. Power of words, positive affirmations. Positive self-talk. Alam mo na, okay. Okay. Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa buhay? Be courageous. Believe in your own set of skills, talents, and abilities. Na kaya mo, go, yes. Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa buhay? Huwag panghinaan ng loob. Alisin ang hiya. Nerbiyos, takot at kaba, okay. Huwag kang ma-depress kung sa simula at umpisa ay failures ang maharap mo kasi sa future magiging success din yan. Okay, yes, opo. Time will tell. Ikaw ang may hawak ng fate, destiny, at tadhana mong pupuntahan. Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa life? Yes, as in now. Then go ahead and do it. Fix yourself, ask yourself questions that must be answered. Have that spark of hope in you, okay? Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa buhay? Ilaban mo, fight for your dreams. Maging parang tiger ka. Brave, yes. Gusto mo ba matupad mga pangarap mo sa buhay? Ano-ano pala mga yun? Maging successful na artist. Better at drawing, good at painting. Vocalist, kasi you love the stage. Musician, kasi arts go well with music. Playing that guitar and drums and bass professionally. Maging doktor, nurse, engineer, architect, makatapos sa college, university. Alam mo na, do it. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Do it. Do it.